which is the last question for the day. It's by Honorable SNM Kwenazondi. The question is, noting that Section 8 and 9 of South Africa's Police Service Act prescribes a mandatory board of inquiry and due process prior to the suspension or removal of a national commissioner, and that Section 86 of the Public Finance Management Act criminalizes financial misconduct only upon proof of willful or grossly negligent conduct in a court of law. On what lawful and rational basis did he bypass the preemptory procedures of the SAPS Act in favor of a so-called contextual precautionary suspension, notwithstanding that the PFMA threshold for criminal liability has not yet been judicially established, and how does he justify appointing as acting National Commissioner Lieutenant General Puleng Tipane, the Divisional Commissioner responsible for Financial Management Services, who is implicated in that her department allowed the payment of 48 million in the same Medicare 24 tender processes that is under investigation, rather than an independent appointee without creating a reasonable apprehension of conflicted oversight and selectively accountability. Honorable President.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. The National Commissioner of the South African Police Service, General Fani Masemola, consented to being suspended. As a result, there was no need to engage the process in Section 8 and 9 of the SAPS Act, which processes are aimed at obtaining a basis for a suspension that is contested. I considered the placement of General Masemola on precautionary suspension necessary to ensure the stability and effective functioning of the South African Police Service while the criminal process unfolds. It is important that the legal processes be allowed to unfold without any hindrance. I appointed Lieutenant General Puleng Tipane as the Acting National Commissioner because of her record and standing in the police service. She has had a long service record in the police service. There is, to my knowledge, no evidence that implicates Lieutenant General Tipane in relation to the Medicare 24 tender and contact. I have full confidence in her ability to act in the position of National Commissioner as she is acting right now, fully supported by her colleagues, working together to ensure that we deal with the acts of criminality that are rife in our country. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.